Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Junior, the Village Barber, back at it again with another video. Today we got a new box from the homies Supreme Trimmers, man. I'm actually part of their influencer team, so they do send me some products before they release. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box, but let's show you what they did send me last time. So last time they hooked us up with the trimmer, some hair grips, and then we got the tee. So yeah, let's see what's in the new box, man. You see right here, I feel like I can open up to you, man. This company, it's the new up and coming company, bro, and I really mess with the vision. They're really consistent with coming out with new products. Now I don't know what's in this box, so you guys are actually gonna see my reaction to it too. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video while we're here. We do got a tour coming soon. I'm gonna show you guys the shop because you guys don't even know how it looks yet. But let's see, y'all ready? Let's get in the box. What we got, Supreme Trimmers? Let's go. Oh, we got new tea, bro. New tea. Yes, sir. They hooked your boy. Oh, we got the white and the black. You feel me? Supreme team. We in this influencer thing, man. I appreciate you guys for even picking me to make videos and show you guys the products. Really means the world to me, but I'm definitely gonna be rocking this. You guys are ready now. What else we got? Damn, we got some more hair grips, alright? We got the black and gold, that's that new key. I haven't seen these. We got blue, red, black, we got the pink, okay. Man, Supreme Trimmers, y'all really doing it. Look at all this, all these colors. I like that. I like the pink actually, these are crazy. And then, oh my god, y'all did not just send me this, bro. Okay. Sheesh. The box really looks a lot nicer. You guys really went crazy on this one. This is their new trimmer, so you guys seen their old one, right? This is that new with the new blade, new color, new battery. But yeah, let's go ahead and open the box, see what's in here. Alright, let's get it. So it does look like, so on the box right here you say, stainless steel blade, 7,000 RPM motor, easy to use, charging indicator, cordless. And it comes with all your guards. This is like a perfect trimmer to have at home if you ever do have, like, if you got a little beard, if you want to clean you up. These are perfect, man. Let's open the box, see? Damn. Packaging going crazy, Supreme. Barber approved, barber preferred. The world's trimmer company. Okay, the packaging going crazy. Let's see what's in there. Nice. Looks like we got a bag to put it in for travel. Like, this is the perfect travel bag right here, bro. I'm telling y'all. We got the guards, clean up your beard, sideburns. We got a little brush and some oil to clean it up with. A charger stand. New charging deck, let's put it right next to it. So the old one had white, this one's nice and gold. And let's get to the trimmer, man. I'm so excited to use these. I've actually been needing a trimmer, so man, these feel good too. They feel nice and heavy. Well, not heavy, but like they got a good weight. They don't feel cheap. Here we go. Let's take this blade off. Oh yeah. And this does come off, so you could either have it like this or take it off and have it skeletoned. But yeah, I'm gonna put this to charge and then turn it on, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some footage. Let's get right into the next clip. Let's see what these things do. What's up? Alright, so my boy right here, Manny Blaine's about to try him out. What you think about these, bro? So far, just by looking at them.
Nice colors, good weight to it. I like the skeleton.
Skeleton?
Yes, sir. So try them out. Try it down there. It was good, quiet, really quiet. Stand up the other side. Stand up the back of the ears.
Well, yeah, so barber used, barber preferred, like they said, man.
Sure.
Supreme trimmers, they go crazy,
Good
bro.
trimmers, quiet.
They're quiet.